Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you what a polymechanic does at ABNOX. Come along. My basic training includes assembly technology, measurement technology, manufacturing parts on CNC machines, as well as conventional manufacturing, pneumatics, and electrical engineering. The components we get to manufacture must be produced with the highest precision. For this purpose, we receive manufacturing drawings with all important information from the design department in order to be able to manufacture the components with millimeter precision. Depending on the requirements of the manufacturing part, the polymechanic has to operate different machines. This goes from a conventional machine, which has to be operated manually and with sensitivity, to a CNC machine, which is programmed and carries out the manufacturing automatically. After machine production, the part is deburred so that no one can injure themselves. This requires skilled hands and care in work. The basic training of a polymechanic includes the assembly of electronic and pneumatic controls. This requires technical flair and patience. It's also important to enjoy working in a team. For example, discussing important plans and solutions with the design engineer in order to achieve the best result. This is what everyday life looks like as a polymechanic. Are you interested? Then come by and apply. If you have more questions and need more information, check out our YouTube, Instagram, or our website.